Good day, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And shout out especially to Boss Rodendo Antonio ng Iloilo. Okay, order of Boss Rodendo is a Glock 17 4 series. So, 4 series all black. Okay, this is it, sir. This is your unit, Sir Rodendo of Iloilo. Sure, this is video testing, quick review and video testing of your order bago namin siya ipadala sa Iloilo. So ito, videoan muna natin, test out natin kung okay yung unit at mapanood mo rin sa YouTube itong video na to. Okay, so let's start. Sir Rodendo, here's the Glock 17 4 series. As you can see here, napakaganda niya. Ayan, okay. Okay, so we just released the magazine kasi baka malaglag. Okay, nakamagwell na siya, sir. Ayan. As you can see, this is the Glock 17 na custom design. Yung Glock 17 na G, or yung G series, makikita nyo doon yung standard design ng Glock 17. So, this is the custom design as you can see. Kasi yung Glock 17 na G series, hindi po siya nakamagwell. But this one, nakamagwell na siya. And then yung G series, hindi pa stippled grip. This one, stippled grip na. And then, it has a Punisher skull design on backplate. So, napakaganda niya. And yung kanyang sight, okay, is fiber optic na. Ayan, front and rear yan. So, sa rear, orange. Sa front, green. Okay. And then, cut on slide. There is a cut on slide. Okay. This one is a stainless barrel. This one. Okay. And there's a serrations. May serrations siya sa rear and also in front. Ayan. Okay. Meron din siyang accessory rail. For this one, accessory rail for the flashlight. If you want to install some flashlight, laser light, okay, there's a accessory rail. Okay? And then, meron ding thread yung kanyang outer barrel. Kung papapansin nyo din, yung outer barrel niya is may thread. Pwede kayong mag-install dyan or maglagay dyan ng tracer units. Kung kung napanood nyo po yung aming video na pinost doon sa tracer or blaster unit, pwede po kayong maglagay ng ganon sa pistol nyo. Okay. So, available din yung ating tracer units. Napakaganda ng unit mo, boss. Rodendo. Napakaganda ng unit mo, boss. Okay. Glock 17 F series. Napakalupit. Okay. So, it comes with the box strap. So, this one, you can put the box strap here. And then, meron siyang kasamang pin. You just remove the pin na naka-install dito. This one. Sundutin nyo lang yan. And then, just replace with this one. Kasi yung nandun, mas maiksi yun eh. So, hindi siya maglalak. So, ito yung ipapalit mo siya para mag-lock. Okay? Kung gusto nyo lang naman po, nalagyan siya ng box strap. Okay, this one. The box strap. So, mas maganda siguro kung may box strap, I think. Ayan. So, nakadepende po sa inyo yun kung alin yung mas preferred nyo. Kung gusto nyo yung may box strap. Ganda rin ang box strap. Okay? So, yun. Box Rodendo. Yung kanyang magazine is also made of metal. This is 24 ounce capacity. And then, yung kanyang slide is metal. Yung frame or the body is made of polymer. So, ganun talaga si Glock. Okay? Okay, now, ito yung kanyang manual pala, kasama, owner's manual. Okay, and then it comes with the free 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots BBs, and also comes with free Pop Dino number 12 green gas. Okay, ayan, kasama na po sa package yan. Okay, so now, maglalagay tayo ng gas. Okay, pag maglalagay kayo ng gas, boss, pag nagre-refill or nag-fill or nag-charge kayo ng gas dito sa magazine, make sure na inverted position, like this. Okay, make sure na inverted position, kasi mga newbie, minsan, ganito sila magkarga eh. Pag ganyan, tapos ipapress mo yan, di ba? Siyempre, para pumasok yung gas. Hindi yan magkakarga kasi yung gas, yung liquefied form na gas, pababa lang yon, so hindi siya bubungad. So, make sure na inverted position, like this, pag ganyan. And then, depende sa inyo kung alin mas preferred nyo or mas comfortable kayo maglagay, pag ganyan. And then, press. Yan. Okay, just put some gas. Huwag nyo lang damihan. Just count 3 seconds lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's alright. Okay? Okay na po yun. Huwag nyo na pasobrahan kasi hindi rin maganda sa ating unit yung maraming gas. Okay? So, let's put some BBs naman. Okay, you can also use BB loader if you have BB loader. Naubusan lang ako ng BB loader here sa shop. Okay. Okay, ayan. So, for testing, let's put some BBs lang, okay? Okay, now, make sure na walang spacing yung BBs, no? Yung alternating siya. Kasi pagka may spacing yan, or may space, magkakaroon ng tendency na magmi-misfeed. Okay? Make sure na walang spacing. Okay? So, now, sardine do. Okay? Konting, sabi na to. Konting zoom out lang sa ating unit. Ayan. Glock 17 4 series. Ayan. Yung unit ni boss. Glock 17 4 series. Napakaganda. Okay, actually, meron siyang, hindi ko na-explain kanina. Okay, explain ko later yung trigger safety, no? Yan, kung mapapansin nyo yung kulay red na yan, nasa trigger. And that's the trigger safety, okay? So, i-explain ko later on. Pag itetest ko na yung function yan, okay? So, ayan. So, let's go to testing. Boss Dendo, Rodendo ng Iloilo, okay? So, set up ko lang ating target, no, for testing. Okay, let's go to testing Sir Dendo ng Iloilo. Okay, so now I'll explain to you the trigger safety. This one. Yan yung trigger safety, sir. Yung red na yan. Okay? So, may bala to, no? May bala at may gas. Okay? So, testingin natin kung working ba ang trigger safety. Okay? So, pasak na. So, it's ready to fire, no? It's ready to fire. Ngayon, yung trigger safety na yun, ang function nan kasi, ayan, hindi siya puputok, no? Ayan. Ang function yan kasi, kailangan ma-level siya dito sa trigger. Okay? Kapag halimbawa, hindi siya naka-level, and then, ayan, kinalabit natin, hindi siya puputok. So, ang function yan, yun sa mga, like sa mga tunay na Glock kasi, yung draft safety. Draft safety na tinatawag, kaya mayroon ganyan. So, sa airsoft, meron din. So, yan yung trigger safety. Okay? Once na pinasok mo kasi yung trigger finger mo dyan, that's the time na magle-level siya and that's the time na pwede na siyang pumutok. Okay? So, yun. May function yan, boss. Okay? So, let's go. Let's testing tayo. Okay? So, ready to fire tayo. So, loaded with gas and BBs. Okay? Now, let's go shoot. Okay? So, make sure lang meron kayong eye protection, no? When doing this. Okay? Firing. Okay, so ubusin lang natin bala. Okay, so ubusin ko lang yung bala. Ayan, so nag-open slide siya, boss. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, wala na tayong bala. Okay, so ang gawin nyo lang, just release the magazine, and then press down the slide stop, slide release. Press this one or hatak. Okay, pwedeng press or pwedeng hatak. Ayan, okay, so Boss Rodendo ng Iloilo, thank you boss for choosing 5th generation hobby shop. Okay, so mga gustong mag-avail, meron tayong Lazada shop. Okay, just search on 5th generation hobby shop or you can message us on our FB page, 5th generation hobby shop. Okay, so ayan bossing, yung inyong Glock 17, sorry, puro Glock 18. Glock 17 4 series or Glock 17 F series unit. Napakaganda niya. Okay, so ayan, ready to ship na natin boss yung unit mo. Okay, thank you bossing, and yun lang po. Thank you po and have a nice day.